Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thank you guys for tuning into the channel. I really appreciate it. If you guys are new here, please make sure to subscribe. Please make sure to turn on post notifications. I really appreciate it. So yeah, guys, just like the title says, I wrap my car. And honestly, it surpassed my expectations. The wrap looks fucking insane, I'm not gonna lie. Going with this color, I was kind of hesitant because it wouldn't be too flashy, but when everything came together, it looks insane. So yeah, guys, this video's not gonna be too long because I'm not really gonna take my car out to a location. I'm actually just gonna show you guys downstairs in my garage because the car's gonna be at SEMA and I don't want to take any risk of it getting rock chips or anything like that. I'll try my best to show you guys thoroughly on how the wrap looks on camera, but honestly, camera doesn't do it justice. So yeah, I just want to give a huge shout out to Impressive Wrap and Inozetek. They destroyed it. The wrap looks amazing. Honestly, I can say it looks better than paint. Like, going from my factory paint to this, it looks like I legit just got a new paint job and they just did everything 100%. So yeah, we're gonna head downstairs right now and check out the wrap and let me know what you guys think down below. Also, we gotta give the puppies a shout out for looking extra cute here, just laying down on the couch. They literally follow me everywhere, guys. They don't let me go anywhere alone. So yeah, we got Zoe, we got Enzo, and we got Zuko. They're laying on my flannel. They probably think it's a blanket. All right, so I'm in front of my car right now. I'm gonna turn the camera on and show you guys, but I want you guys to comment down below your initial thoughts. If this is your first time seeing it, let me know what you guys think down below in the comments. It looks insane. All right, guys, let's do it. Boom, I went with the midnight purple. Let me know what you guys think down below right now. Comment down. I'm really curious to know initial thoughts. I'll talk about more of the carbon in a little bit, but let's just walk around and check out the color and just admire how beautiful it looks. This looks better than paint, hands down. So what do you guys think? Do you guys think I went with a good color? In my opinion, I think this is like the perfect color to go with. It looks so nice. It complements the M2 so well. I know this isn't the best lighting, and again, I really apologize for that, but I just wanted to show you guys how the color shifts. So if you guys look right here, it's almost black, and then right here, it's like obviously dark purple, but as it goes along, it literally turns into like almost a lightish pink over there. This color is insane. It has like 100 colors in one. You guys can already see as they go more into the sunlight, it starts to get lighter. And then it kind of goes back into its midnight purplish, like right here. It looks so nice. So yeah, huge shout out again to Impressive Wrap. You guys freaking destroyed it. It looks so good. So I'm gonna talk to you guys a little bit more about the wrap, and then I'll show you guys some of the new Carbon Aero that I put on the car. So if you're commenting down below, I really appreciate it. But yeah, guys, I just really want to explain one thing that I think this wrap has over any other company or any other type of material, is that it offers zero orange peel. If you guys can see how glossy it is, it's literally better than factory paint. My actual white paint had more orange peel than this actual wrap. Okay, so we'll start off with the hood, guys. So you guys know I did the full Sabon carbon fiber hood, the DV style. So what we did is we left the carbon vents exposed because I think it adds a nice touch of carbon. We're honestly thinking about leaving the full thing exposed because the color is so dark and it kind of would blend in, but I kind of wanted to have this little contrast on top. And honestly, I'm happy I went with this because I think it looks way better. So you guys can see we did a design around to kind of follow it. It honestly looks like a Batman mask. Like, you can picture Batman's head right here, and these are like his little ear things. But yeah, so we left each vent on each side exposed. I think that looks really good. One thing I wish this hood had was a more aggressive center, kind of like a hump right here, like a GTS style or an OEM factory M3, M4 hood. I think that would have looked so good with the style, with the side vents. That would have been insane. But you know what? It still looks really good. I'm not complaining. It's just kind of personal preference. Here's a little more up close of the actual vents with the wrap around it. Again, my car's been sitting in the garage, so it's kind of dusty, so I'll be like, you know what, the wrap looks like shit. No, the car's just sitting, guys. It's not moving at all until SEMA. Here's this one. I think it looks really good. It kind of adds that perfect touch in the front with the hood. And a lot of people are asking me on my Instagram, hey, what did you do to your hood? What are those things? Guys, it's the same hood. I just wrapped around it and left those exposed. All right, so moving on to the front bumper. If you guys remember when my car was white, we wrapped these two side pieces in gloss black and the three middle pieces as well. But we decided not to do that this time. We wanted to leave everything full purple. We really wanted to show off this color, and I think that was a good decision we made. Also, if you own an M2 competition, you guys know that the regular M2s have a carbon fiber piece that goes around right here. But unfortunately, they don't offer one for the competition front bumper. So I will be designing one for the front so we can have one on each side. And I think that would look really sick. Imagine two carbon fiber pieces right there following those body lines perfectly. I think that'll look so good. So if you guys have an M2 competition and you guys are interested in something like that, make sure to follow me. All the links will be down below in the description, so you guys can keep updated on when I actually do that. Also, if you didn't notice already, I did do a new lip setup. This is the performance style lip right here for the actual M2 competition. Then I put a huge carbon fiber splitter underneath. One thing I like about this competition front lip is that it has these side winglets too. So I think that looks so good, and I did add my canards on each side. It gives the bumper little wings on each side, which looks really good. So yeah, that's just a more thorough update of the front bumper on exactly what we did. I wanted to show you guys the new front lip. I wanted to show you guys that we removed the gloss black wrap. So yeah, the front bumper looks absolutely insane. So moving on to the side skirts, I don't know if you guys remember, we had gloss black wrap following the side skirt body line, but we did remove those and we let the actual PSM Dynamics side skirts show because they actually already do follow the body line. So there's kind of no need for that. And actually the way I had it was I had the gloss black wrap going straight across, but there is no need for that. So yeah, I removed that. I let the carbon fiber side skirt really show off, and I think it looks way better. A lot of people are asking like, hey, is that a 2-piece side skirt? If you guys haven't watched the video already, this is a full piece carbon fiber side skirt, and it looks insane. This is probably one of the best designs, and I actually am designing this for the F30. So if you're one of my F30 followers and you're following me, I will be coming out with this side skirt for the F30, so stay tuned for that. We left the carbon fiber mirror caps fully exposed. I was thinking about following maybe like the body line right here, maybe doing some purple inside or on top, but we decided just to leave it fully exposed because I really want to show off the carbon fiber. So moving on to the rear, we obviously have a lot going on. I recently did this GTS style wing. If you guys haven't watched that video, it's down below my videos. We left the OEM Performance trunk lip on there. We did the 3-piece diffuser that I filmed, and we had the carbon fiber exhaust tips. But one thing that I didn't show you guys, I recently released through my company, is these carbon fiber rear bumper accents. It doesn't matter if you have the competition M2 or just the regular one, they will fit your rear bumper. They are 2x2 carbon fiber weave. They look really sick. They follow the body line of the rear bumper, and they add just that perfect touch of extra carbon fiber that I think this rear bumper needed. So if you guys are interested in those rear pieces, let me know down below in the comments, or you guys can send me a direct message on Instagram or my company's page. All the links will be down below in the description. As this is just a little update on what's going on with the build so far, I kind of wanted to walk around and talk to you guys thoroughly about each part of the car so you guys know. A lot of times I film these videos and everyone's like, hey, what was that rear piece you had, or what was that front lip you had? So yeah, obviously I still have my stock wheels. Those will be going very soon. Inoztek should have my wheels this week, and I'll be changing those out. I'm definitely going to be filming the test fitting so you guys can see how the wheels look and what you guys think about the fitment. And then not only am I changing the wheels, I'm putting these Motorsport hardware extended lug nuts, so I'm happy to have you guys a part of the build as well. So yeah guys, right now I'm going to actually pull my car out into the direct sunlight so you guys can see how the wrap looks in the sun, because like I said, the lighting here is not the best. So here's my car in direct sunlight. I really wanted to show you guys this so you guys can really see how the color looks. Inside it wasn't doing justice. You guys can really see that midnight purple really shining. Yes, I know the car's a little dusty. Please excuse that. It looks so good out in the sunlight. I seriously can't wait to get my wheels on. It's literally going to complete the look. These wheels are not doing it for me. They're beautiful OEM wheels, but they're just not doing it for me. So yeah, that's gonna end it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Again, let me know what you guys think about this color. I think it looks so good. This is the perfect color for the M2 competition. This car will be at SEMA, like I said, so I'll put more information about where it will be at exactly at the end of this video. See you on the next one. Peace out.